Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to change your OmeTv location on your iPhone. So guys, if you are a iPhone user and try to change your location, I will help you how to do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Ome TV, and as you will see, you need to click on it. And guys, if you want to change your country only, you have to click on country and you can change your country from here. And guys, if you want to change your location, in your location Ome TV is banned or not opening or keeps crashing or have any other problem and you want to change your location, no need to worry. Open your settings here, scroll down and click on apps. And guys, now you need to find here Ome TV. So guys, as you will see, open your Ome TV here, and guys, you need to turn off your location from your Ome TV. And guys, after this you need to go back and open your settings again and scroll it down, click on general, and after this you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, and you need to click on reset and you need to reset your network settings, and after this go back. So guys, now you will see here is the option of VPN and device management. You have to click on it, and guys, you need to click on any VPN and you need to add VPN configuration, or you need to install any free VPN from your app store, and you will see that VPN here. And guys, you need to connect that VPN from here, and your Ome TV location will be changed and you will be unbanned on Ome TV by changing your location. So guys, this is the possible way to do this. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.